Hi everyone, this is Heidi Reams with Floyd County Conservation, and today I'm going to show you how to make Birdhouse B. Birdhouse B is actually a robin's nest shelf, and so it's more of an open looking box compared to a typical birdhouse. In the kit you're going to get an instruction sheet, as well as a fact sheet that'll give you more information about robins and where to place this birdhouse. You're also going to get the materials. There's the back portion, the top and the bottom, as well as the sides. And just with any of our kits, we do recommend to pre-drill the holes before putting the house together. So let's get started. As you pre-drill these holes and attach the top and bottom to the back, you are going to want to measure to make sure that your side pieces fit exactly in that gap. And here you have it, our finished robin shelf. Now, as you noticed, I did leave a little bit of space on the top and bottom of the backboard. Once again, that's where you can put a hole or screw to attach it to the post or to the back of whatever you're putting it up on. If you'd like to paint or stain it, that would be great. The birds are going to love it this spring, and I look forward to hearing about all of your experiences as you invite the birds into your yard. Have a great day.